Alright, let's get some data to put inside this. So I'm just going to say JSON generator. Looks like I've used this before, maybe. This is the template that I'm using. So feel free to use this, pause it, and grab that. When you first go to it, you're probably going to have a lot of stuff. But I'm just going to copy the JSON. And we'll go over here, and in the source, new folder, data. And we'll make a new file, index.ts. And we'll paste this. And we will say const data equals, and then we're going to type it. So we'll say interface data, and the index is a number, and the name is a string, and this will be of data array. And we need to export. Save that. I'm going to import this into here. And now what we can do is we can say data equals data. The display key equals name, and the value key equals ID. Did I spell something wrong? Well, let's see here. Value key. Data index, there's a name. Oh, index, sorry. There we go. That's why we love TypeScript. Keeps us from having to mess things up. We're missing an onSelect, I believe. OnSelect, yep, okay. So we're fine, we'll come back to that. Nothing's changed here. So I think what we need to do now is just display everybody in our list, right? So we have this list, ref list, my list, and we'll say filter data.map, and we'll say data idx. Create a div with a key, and I always like to do a backtick, and we'll say d dash idx. That should help us be a little bit more unique. Do that to make everybody happy. And then we'll have a div with the class name equal to grid columns. And I'm going to say 35 pixels underscore 1 fr. And minimum height 35 pixels. And we're going to say div with the class name equal to flex items center. I'm not sure what was in it. We may change that. Div yeah, let's go back. Let's just take this right here, and we're going to say that this is going to be D display key as a string. And I believe we have a list of people. We don't have any scrolling, but oh, so this is interesting. We only have the one person. That's okay. That's okay. We could do some tricks to change this around. But for now, we're going to stick with this. So that gets us our basic data. Now we need to look at fading in and fading out this data based on if we're clicked or not.